Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Loser unboxing. I am always excited by loser unboxings because it's an expected or unexpected and unexpected happy surprise. I'm always excited. Let's see, we can. That's quite. Oh yes, got it over. Ta-da! You know the reason I have it? You know, recently I have one video for no reason. It's just my everyday walking with red shoes, pink shoes, and I was just being silly. I made that video and choose whichever color. Whichever color, it doesn't matter that much. And a lot of people are very serious. Some say red is good, some say pink is good. Anyway, maybe I will just put that video as something in the middle. So, so I was thinking it's just so. I do not mind. I'm just having some fun and see how it works. It does not matter that much. And that video got quite some view. Usually my video get 100 views, 200 views, and that video get more than 100 views, 200 views, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 100,000 views, 200,000 views. So to me, it's quite a surprise after getting so low view. So I didn't take it serious. Just at this time, I don't know why I got a DM, direct message from Instagram. Instagram said they are looking for some old Asian woman, with iris upfell vibe. So I search who is. I actually know, yeah. So so I was thinking, well, I am Asian, I am old, I am a woman. Something I do not have is that I am not Aries upfell, but and I do not have her glasses, but nonetheless, I am myself. Why not try some new glasses? So this is why I bought these, and actually it turns out she is a scouter. Is that a scouter? And she's looking for some fashion shoot. Anyway, I sent a message to. This is not good. So I sent a message to the the agent or shooting company, I mean the recording company, and they ask me to send some pictures. I send a picture and they say no, the picture resolution is not good. And then I send some other pictures. I do not have really fashion pictures. And then there is no news from them. Anyway, that's the story. That's the glasses I got. These are reading glasses. I drive, I need some long distance glass, so I took the most silly style. And there is one not so good. It's still usable. Nobody noticed. Oh no, it's not even usable. I need some super glue to glue it. Yeah, with that price I cannot complain. Anyway, let me see myself. I will do a makeup and if you want to hear the story about this fashion scout thing, maybe another time I will tell the story. It's still happening. The date is not coming, and I did not hear anything from them, and I kind of give up and not taking it serious. I have a life, right? And it's time for us to go back to school, so I need to get myself ready, not distracted by too many other unimportant things. Okay, bye bye friends. I love this. You know, a lot of time you have that little boxes, and you do not need so many glass boxes because my glasses are inexpensive. I do not need expensive glass boxes. A little bag is sufficient, right? I actually usually do not even use it, but it doesn't hurt to have a bag. Thank you. This is a loser unboxing. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Oh my goodness, this is quite comfortable. Oh, so comfortable. Ooh, すごいね. Okay, bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah, bye. Okay, let me get some color on my face. See the before and after. I cannot see myself. I didn't wear glasses. You know, I usually buy glasses at Costco. They have good glasses, Grand Foster. But for driving, I need a closer distance. I need a long distance, and for reading, I need this. So this is reading glasses, and I need different style to make it differentiate so that I know this is reading glass when you cannot see, and in the middle you do not want to get too confused, right? So this is I feel I look like the Joker face. In the young children's game or children's birthday party, they have these big, round, very dark glasses, and then a big nose. That joke face, we have it for Halloween use, and I feel this one looks like that. I do not have eyebrow now. Oh, I made so much effort to make my eyebrow look good, and it's all gone. And this one, I think it's, yeah, it's broken. Ooh. Try this one. Oh, all of them a little bit broken. Anyway. Do I look like yanghaiying? I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye. So silly.